this video is all you need to know on how to export your game in Unity for Android. So let's get started. Now let's say you have completed making a game and now you want to export it in Android. So first of all, go to your build settings, and in here you can see all the platforms in which you can export your game. Select Android, and if you have not downloaded Android, then in this window somewhere about here you will see a download button. Don't click on it. And instead go to your Unity Hub, and in installs click on these three dots here, then click on add modules and then click to select every platform that you want to export your game in. But for Android you also have to click on these two here, otherwise when you export your game it will say you don't have Android SDK, and then you will download it on your own and try to make it work, but it will not work and say you don't have the recommended version of Android SDK. So instead of going through all that hassle, check on these two and hit next and you're ready to go. Now in Unity, click on Android and click on Switch Platform. Now, this Unity logo next to the platform indicates that you have switched to that platform. Now before hitting build, first of all let's properly set up our game. So go to the player settings, which is here, and here first of all write your company name. Mine is Chrono ABI, so I'm gonna write Chrono ABI. Please hit the subscribe button. Now in this product name means your game name, so I will write I hate this game because that is my game's name. I'm thinking of making a devlog about this, so stay tuned. Like and subscribe. Now here this is the default icon where you can add an icon for your game, and in this icon section you can add one icon for every resolution. Now in this resolution and presentation section, this render outside safe area will help use the whole screen and will help us render around the notch. So if you want that, and if you have a phone with a notch, then click on it. Otherwise there will be a black bar on the notch. Now this optimized frame pacing should make your game feel much smoother, and if you click on it you can see what it does, but it didn't work for me, so I don't know, it may work for you, so turn it on, I don't know. This resolution scaling mode will make the resolution of your game lower to help save battery and performance. Don't turn it on. Now in this orientation section, if your game is portrait only, then disable this landscape left and right, and if your game is landscape only, like mine is, then turn off portrait and portrait upside down. Now in the splash image section, click on preview, and this is your splash image. Now you can remove this only if you have a paid version of Unity. If you don't have that, then there are two ways of using this splash image. One where Unity logo is below our own splash image, or number two, which is all sequence. This will show made with Unity and your own splash image individually. Now you can change their position to make your splash image come at first, so set it up to the way you want. Now from here you can change the duration of your splash screen, so if you want to make your one longer you can do it. Now in this background section you can change either the background color or you can use a background image like this. Now in this other section you don't have to worry about anything but this identification section. So here in this package name, write the exact name of your company and game just the way you wrote at the top. But nowadays Unity does that automatically. Here you can set the minimum version of Android that can run this game. I don't think anyone has a phone with Android less than 4.4 KitKat, but if there is, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm going to select KitKat and we are done. Now you can close this and go to build settings, hit build, select a folder where you want to export it, and let's give that file a specific name. I'm gonna write test. Now it will take some time to export. And it will export an APK file, which if you copy to your phone and install it, you can see that your game runs perfectly. So Now if you have any problem, please let me know in the comment section down below. Hit subscribe button if you want more content like this, and hit the bell icon to never miss the latest video. So till then, bye bye. And again, I'm thinking of making a devlog on the game. This game is really fun and I think you'll like it. So till then, bye bye.